The V-Star 650 is famous for low maintenance, easy handling, and affordable parts. Owners have clocked hundreds of thousands of miles with nothing but basic care. It feels comfortable, lightweight for a cruiser, and stylish enough to turn heads anywhere you ride. A true value king for riders on budget. Owners love the Shadow 750 for its bulletproof engine, low maintenance costs, and cruiser comfort. Many Shadows have surpassed 300,000 to 400,000 miles with nothing but regular oil changes. It is the kind of bike that feels like a lifelong friend, loyal and always ready. The Vulcan 900 feels bigger than its class, with strong torque, smooth handling, and excellent highway stability. Its reliability is unmatched, often surpassing expensive cruisers. Simple design, durable engine, and low-cost maintenance make it one of the best investments for riders who want power without financial pain. The Versys 650 combines comfort, agility, and endurance. Its upright riding position is perfect for long distances, while its lightweight frame makes city rides enjoyable. The engine is almost unbreakable, delivering consistent performance even after years of heavy use. A perfect bike for budget-conscious adventurers. The Nighthawk is known for its smooth tower delivery, comfortable riding posture, and unmatched reliability. It can cross massive mileages without major repairs, needing only oil changes and simple care. This bike is living proof of Honda's golden era of engineering when machines were built to last forever. What makes the TU-50X stand out is its simplicity. There is almost nothing that can break. Owners love how easy it is to maintain, and many have ridden for decades with no major issues. If you want a retro-styled bike with a soul that lasts, the TU-50X is an unbeatable choice. The SV650 delivers sporty performance, commuter comfort, and insane reliability. Riders all over the world have pushed this machine to extreme mileages, and it keeps going strong. Affordable, versatile, and loved by beginners and veterans alike, it is a true legend of dependability.